everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making an emoji bookmark. We're going to be doing this emoji, but you can choose your own emoji too. So what you'll need is a yellow piece of card or paper, a cup, a pencil, scissors, a black marker to draw the emotions on the emoji, and this is a Crayola marker. You can check out the review we did on the set of these pens after watching this video. You'll also need an extra piece of card, only if you're going to be doing this emoji because it has extra tears. If you are doing like the one with a heart or one like that, shades or anything like that, you'll have to use a different colour piece. So let's get started. So you're gonna be folding one corner to go to the other corner like that. Make sure it meets. And you're gonna get your scissors or a ruler. I'm gonna be using some scissors today. And you're gonna cut the rectangle bottom. That. And then you're gonna fold it out and fold it back in like that. And you're going to fold one side to the top, to the corner at the top. Fold it like that. And then you're gonna take the other side and do the same. And then you're gonna unfold it. And then see this corner, this top, and there's another flap at the back. You're going to take the front one and fold it down like that. Okay? So just like that. And then take one of the sides and then put it like that, so it's like a diamond shape. And then tuck the part where it's over this line inside. Tuck it inside to as far as you can go. And then do the same with this side. And then do the same. And you'll also need some glue. So that is like the normal corner bookmark, so you put it in the book like that. And you're gonna flip it over because we want a circular shape. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna get the cup you had to use. And you're gonna make sure that this side, right at the edge of the diamond, meets the cup, and because that part it uses to keep all of the sides together so you can actually have a bookmark. So you're just going to do that and then go to the top there. And then you're gonna cut it out. And you need to keep these straight edges and this side, because that keeps all of the edges together. But so if you don't do that, then you won't have a bookmark. It'll just be, it'll just fall apart. Okay. So all these edges where I have these corner straight edges, you need to keep those. And then you're going to turn it around, and then you're going to draw your emoji. And I did tell you I was going to do the laughing one, so okay, and then I'm just going to colour in the eyes. And the eyebrows. So that's the first part of your emoji. And if yours is just like a normal emoji, just smiling, then this extra part doesn't, you don't need to do, because obviously you don't have extra parts to do. But we do, my emoji has tears, so I'm going to be using blue card to stick the tears on, and so that's basically what you need to do. We're gonna get the tears, so we're just gonna cut them out. Oh, we've got the tears cut out. Now we can stick them on. So just gonna get some glue, or if you don't have glue, tape. But yeah, just gonna stick them on. Don't stick the whole tear, because obviously you're not going to be using some of it because of the side part. So that is it. The emoji bookmark. So how you use it is, once you've finished reading the book, you just put it in like that, and then it's done. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment about to tell us which emoji you did, and please send us a photo of your emoji bookmark. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.